Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the today's vlog. अभी का बज रहा है time about 7:15 or 7:30 like that. Regarding the yesterday's report, we have been contacting to YouTube in the means of chat and mail. In the chat, they could not help me in any way. Apart from this, let's continue to make videos. See, early morning, sunshine. I'm out here to take some vitamin D or call like that. Now it's the time to go to have some coffee in my home. I mean downstairs. I'll go there. Let's go and let's start the today's video. ये हमारा कॉफ़ी बन के रेडी है और इसको गर्म करके पिएंगे फिर बाद में coffee is ready. Let's have it now. Steps daily. This is my favorite place to sit and have coffee. Let's have coffee now. Early in the morning, it's good to have coffee. Your brain will get freshened up. Regarding the issue that I have, regarding the issue of subscribers count, yesterday again I have been complaining about this to YouTube. Again, they could not do anything. They're just showing me the analytics and this and that. It's nothing, just a waste of contacting them. So let's continue to make videos. Hope so everything will get okay. On this hope, let's continue the videos. त्योहार बना था घर में और हमारी माँ थक गई है थोड़ा. She is tired. Clean the house, then you will get breakfast. I'm cleaning. My brother is filling the water. Things go daily in the morning in a normal middle class family. So let's finish this, then start in the work. Cleaning of the house is done. थोड़ा इधर बैठा है हवा खाने के लिए, ठंडा हवा आ रहा है. After that I will go out to bring some milk and some house needs. थोड़ा घर का सामान लेके आने के लिए जाना है बाहर. अभी जा रहा है. थोड़ा बाहर गया था अभी दूध लाने के लिए, तो ले लिया है. अभी घर जाना है वापस जल्दी से. थोड़ा एडिटिंग भी करना बाकी है और तो जल्दी जल्दी जाके सब काम निपटाएंगे अभी. लेट्स गो. कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, बाहर से आ गया है. और अभी दिखाते हैं पौधा कैसा. ये देखो सुबह सुबह का धूप खा के हमारा पौधा सब दे आर गिविंग अप फ्लावर्स. कैन सी ओवर हियर. This is a kind of thing when you take care flowers and they give the result. Feels so good. See, this is a white color flower. और ये पिंक वाला है, पिंक. और इसमें 2-3 और है, ये भी निकलेगा. और ये इधर वाइट, और इधर 2 पिंक है, 2, एक इधर और एक इधर. 2 पिंक फ्लावर्स and 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, five white flowers and 2 pinks. And these are some coriander plants that are growing up. मिलता है जब ऐसा पौधा सब फूल खिलाने लगता है, मेहनत का फल निकल रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है. इसी तरह लेट्स होप द सेम वे we are nourishing this YouTube. Let's hope the same way these plants are giving flowers after giving so many days of water. I am giving water to my channel by creating videos. Let's see how many days it will take for me to grow up. These are some dirty things. I wipe it off in some days. Let's go. And if you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit bell icon. Turn bell icon to all. Whenever I put my videos, you will get the first notification. And please do comment and likes so that it can give me a motivation to make the upcoming videos. Your likes and comments matters a lot. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next segment of the vlog. Till then, bye. Take care.